Hey everyone, Priya here. Dreaming of Australia? Sunshine, beaches, great jobs, what's not to love? But let's talk about visa agents. They charge thousands, making the process seem impossible without them. Here's the truth. You can do this yourself and save a ton of money. The Australian government's process is clear and online. All the info is free. Take control, save your cash, and start your new life empowered. I'll guide you step by step so you can be your own best agent. Ready to make it happen? Let's go. Let's break down exactly how you can secure the 4082 Temporary Skills Shortage Visa, step by step, so you know what to expect and how to prepare. The 4082 visa is your ticket to working in Australia, but the process can seem overwhelming at first. Don't worry, we'll make it simple. There are 3 main steps. First, your employer must become an approved sponsor with the Australian government. Next, they nominate you for a specific role that matches your skills. Finally, you submit your own visa application. Your mission is to find an employer who's willing and able to sponsor you. This means searching for jobs that are eligible for the 482 visa and making sure your skills match what's needed. Once you land that job offer, your employer will take care of the first 2 steps, getting approved as a sponsor and nominating you for the position. Then it's your turn. You'll need to fill out the online visa application form, upload all the required documents, like your passport, qualifications, and work experience, and pay the application fee. Staying organized is key. Clearly label your digital files and keep all your paperwork in order to avoid delays or confusion during the process. After you submit your application, you'll need to be patient while the Department of Home Affairs reviews everything. Processing times can vary, so check your email regularly for updates. If they ask for more information or documents, respond as quickly as possible to keep your application moving forward. And finally, when you receive that IMI grant notification, it means your visa is approved and you're officially ready to start your Australian adventure. It's paperwork time. Getting your documents in order is the first big step on your journey. Let's break down exactly what you'll need so you can feel confident and prepared from the start. First, make sure you have a valid passport, your birth certificate, and clear color scans of each. These are your essential identity documents, and they'll be needed at almost every stage of your application. Next, gather proof of your skills and experience. This means your degree certificates, academic transcripts, detailed reference letters from employers, and an up-to-date resume. These documents show your qualifications and help prove you meet the requirements. Don't forget your English language test results. IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, or Cambridge are all accepted. Book your test early and give yourself plenty of time to prepare, as these scores are crucial for your application. You'll also need a health check with an approved doctor, plus police clearance certificates from every country you've lived in for 12 months or more over the past 10 years. These help prove your good character and health. Start gathering these documents as early as possible. Some can take weeks or even months to arrive, especially if you need to request them from overseas or from different institutions. Remember, all official forms and checklists are available for free on the Australian Home Affairs website. Always use the latest versions to avoid delays. Stay organized, keep copies of everything, and tick off each item as you go. With the right preparation, you'll breeze through this stage. You've absolutely got this. Wondering how to land your dream job in Australia and secure that all-important sponsor? The first step is to check the skilled occupation list. This is your golden ticket. Make sure your profession is listed and that you meet the eligibility criteria. This list is updated regularly, so double-check before you start applying. Next, dive into job search platforms like Seek, Indeed, and LinkedIn. These sites are packed with opportunities, and many companies specifically mention if they're open to sponsoring overseas candidates. Use filters and keywords like visa sponsorship to narrow your search and save time. When you find a promising role, don't just send a generic application. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each job. Highlight your relevant skills, experience, and explain why you're the perfect fit for that specific company and position. Personalization really makes you stand out. Focus your efforts on companies already approved as sponsors. You can find lists of these employers on government websites. Also, check out job forums and networking sites. Sometimes the best leads come from people who've already been through the process. Networking is key. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn, join industry groups, and attend virtual events. Building relationships can open doors to hidden job opportunities and insider tips about sponsorship. During interviews, don't be afraid to ask if the company is a standard business sponsor and if they're willing to nominate you. Being upfront shows you're serious and informed about the process. Remember, confidence is crucial. Your skills are in demand, and employers are looking for talented people like you. Stay persistent and patient. Finding a sponsor can take time, but every application and connection brings you closer to your goal. Your Aussie dream job is out there waiting for you. Keep pushing forward and don't give up. Got the job and nomination? Time to apply online via IME account. Fill out the TSS 482 visa form carefully. Double-check every detail. Make sure your info matches your documents exactly. Upload the right files to the right sections. No mix-ups. Pay the application fee, still way less than an agent's fee. Read every instruction and use official resources if you're unsure. You're saving thousands and learning a valuable skill. When that visa grant arrives, you'll feel unstoppable. For official info, always check homeaffairs.gov.au. Good luck, Australia awaits.